If you love bold flavors and juicy grilled chicken, these tandoori chicken wraps are going to be your new favorite food. It's like the perfect mix of comfort food and street food flair, all wrapped up and ready to devour. In a bowl, combine 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of yeast and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Gradually add water and knead until a soft dough forms. Coat it lightly with oil, cover and set aside to rise. Slice the chicken breast into thin strips so it cooks quickly and evenly. In another bowl, make the marinade with half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala, half a teaspoon each of ginger and garlic powder, a pinch of turmeric, the juice of 1 lemon and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well and coat the chicken thoroughly. Let it marinate while the dough rises. Next, prepare a quick onion salad for a bit of freshness. Add 1 sliced onion to a bowl, squeeze in 1 lemon, then season with 1 teaspoon black pepper, a pinch of salt and a pinch of chili. Mix and set aside. Once everything is ready, grill the chicken until it's beautifully charged and cook through. Roll out the dough into parathas and cook them on a hot pan until golden and soft. These will be the wraps. For the sauce, combine 1 tablespoon each of ketchup, mayonnaise, chili garlic sauce and cream. Then add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, as well as a pinch of salt to taste. Mix until smooth and creamy. Now for assembly, take a warm paratha, spread a generous layer of the sauce, then add the grilled tandoori chicken, the onion salad, and if you want an extra punch, a bit of kimchi works surprisingly well here. Wrap it tightly and you're done. And there you have it, tandoori chicken wraps that are spicy, juicy and absolutely packed with flavor. The soft flatbread, creamy sauce and grilled chicken come together for the ultimate handheld meal, perfect for lunch, dinner or even a late night craving. Once you try these, you'll be making them on repeat.